Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for digital products and services business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, you can see templates. You can get started from here. Now wait a few seconds. So first you can choose here the topic. So here you can change the type. For example, digital products might be an online store, and services. So here uh, you can choose any templates from here, and also you can build your own template. Let's get started and let's go. Here you can type your business name, any name for digital products and services business. Here you can build your home page section by section, adding as many or as few sections as you need. So the intro section, the first section must be an attractive section to attract people. So for example this. Also the product section, all the sections might be must be an attractive sections. Here you can add page to your site, and here you can choose the color palette. For example, this, and also the font. You can choose any font you like. Any fonts match with this business for digital products and services business. Now wait a few seconds. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe more your website, something about your website, or you can choose the writing style, or if you want to skip, just skip from here. So for me, I'm gonna skip. So that's it. This is your homepage website right now. You can edit it from here. So first you can change the view. You can make it like a mobile view like this, and also you can make it like a desktop view. So first we have this text here, this bigger text. You can change it. For example, you can type welcome to our professional site for digital products and services. Like this. You can describe more if you want. So that's it. Here you can change the section, the background. You can change the image on the background. So you can search here. So for example, you can search for digital products. You can describe more. This is just for example. For example, I'm gonna choose this. So you can choose any image you like, any image you see it's matching with your business for digital products. So that's it. The header, you can edit the site header from here. So here you can change the site title if you don't like it. You can upload the logo image here from your library, or you can upload a file. Also you can add the mobile logo image. You can upload a unique mobile logo here. If this is empty, your mobile logo will default to the original. And the elements, also you can change the text on this label. And also you can change the text on this label here. Just click here, edit on here, and you can type, for example, call us or whatever. That's it. If you want to add anything, you can add image or video or button, whatever you want or whatever you like. You can move it down, move the section and customize the section. You can save it and duplicate it from here. So I'm gonna continue this on the second part. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the second part and the next video.